To use vivid display setting on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap screen mode. And then select vivid to enhance colors and make your screen more vibrant. If needed, you can manually adjust the white balance. To do so, you can slide the adjustment bar below white balance to the left to get a cooler color temperature, or you can slide it to the right to get a warmer color temperature. Given to the function, using vivid screen mode will enhance your display with richer, more saturated colors, making images and videos look more vibrant and lifelike. This feature is perfect for enjoying multimedia content, boosting your visual experience, and adding extra brilliance to every detail on your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.